Hello, welcome back to my channel. Good morning everyone, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. In this video, I'm actually going to shave my skin. Now I have done this before and I did do it for a couple of months, but then I stopped, so I'm gonna start doing it again. Now stop right there. If the first thing that comes to your mind when I say shaving your face is that your hair is gonna grow back like a freaking beard, like a man's beard, no, that is a myth. Now let me tell you one thing. If you shave the right way, your skin is not gonna get darker, your facial hair is not gonna grow back thicker, nothing is gonna go wrong if you shave the right way. Now a lot of you guys complained in my previous video saying that, oh my goodness, after shaving some people get blah 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 blah. Nope, not true, doesn't happen. Anyways, let's shave my skin, my face. Let's shave my face and I'll give you guys another updated version of my skin after I shaved it. There are so many benefits of shaving your facial hair. It gives you smooth skin. Your skin will be able to absorb your skincare products much better. Your makeup looks fabulous and it's a very gentle exfoliator. And it's painless, and trust me, your skin just looks more clear and smoother after you shave your facial hair. So yeah. Anyways, I'm pretty excited. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is actually remove off all of my makeup. And I'm gonna do it one more time. Now it's important to do it twice to make sure that you have removed all of your makeup. You need to get rid of all of it. So this is my face without makeup. Here is my face. As you can see, there's a lot of peach fuzz near my jawline and a lot around my mouth area, so we're gonna get rid of all of that. So the next thing I'm gonna do is wash my face. I'm gonna thoroughly wash my face so that I get rid of all of the makeup and impurities and everything. So let's go do that. Now it's really important to wash your hands before you get to your face. You don't want to transfer all the dirt from your hands to your face even though you're gonna wash your face. Don't do that. Also, I am using the CeraVe facial cleanser to get rid of any makeup residue or impurities on my face. And I'm also using this facial brush to help me remove literally every single thing. So I have a clean base to start with. And just like that, we got a clean face. Okay, so my face is clean right now. Time to go shave. Let's go. Okay, so we are ready to shave. So I'm just going to oil my face a little bit just so I have a smoother surface to work with, because shaving your face when it's really dry just irritates my skin. You already understand, dry skin and shaving, no. So I'm just gonna use a facial oil, just a little bit. And now we're gonna start shaving. Let's get to work, kids. So the razor that I'm using is actually this one from Nimeshaa. I haven't done this in so long. I'm actually really scared. I'm afraid, but let's do this. Okay. Okay, so I am done with my forehead part. Now we're gonna move on to this area, and this is the most scariest area because my cheeks are really sensitive than my forehead. So I'm just hoping my skin's texture, like my skin hasn't changed since the last time I shaved, so hopefully I don't mess this up. When shaving, you must use the opposite hand to stretch the skin so you have a smoother base, and hold the razor at a 45-degree angle and shave downwards. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. You have to be a little careful around your cheek area or sensitive areas. You don't want to cut yourself. That's why it's important to go slow and just take your time. Do not hurry this because you might end up having facial cuts and you don't want that. Okay, you guys, so I am done with this area. Now I'm gonna move on to the lips, an area that I really need to get like the hair out of. So let's go. I just finished shaving. I'm just gonna wipe off any excess hair left. This is basically how much hair I removed off of my face. I would have never thought I had this much hair on my face, but this is how much, including peach fuzz and everything. So for the next 24 hours, you should not wear makeup or any hard chemicals. So I'd recommend you to stay away from any skincare routine. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm not going to do my usual night skincare routine. I'm just gonna stay like this. It's already clean. I washed my face. I'm not gonna wear makeup for the next 48 hours, and I'm also not going to go on the sun because my skin is sort of sensitive right now because I just shaved it. I'm not gonna use any scented moisturizers in the morning tomorrow, so I'm gonna wait for a while till my skin is, you know, sort of not fragile anymore. So as you can see, absolutely zero bumps, no bad reaction. Honestly, I feel like my skin reacted way better than it did last time when I first shaved, because I see literally no bumps, no irritations, nothing. For someone who has like a very heavy night skincare routine or like blah 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 blah, you understand what I'm trying to say, I would recommend you to slowly introduce them into your skincare routine and not just go back to your old skincare routine, like, you know, in just one go. So today I'm just gonna tone. Right now I'm staying away from any strong acids like retinol and stuff like that, because I do use retinol and kojic acid, so I'm gonna stay away from both of them. I'll start using them tomorrow, but not today because it's just been 24 hours, so yeah. Okay guys, look at my skin. My skin is glowing. I feel so confident. My skin looks just amazing after I shaved, and oh my god. Okay, so it has been 7 days, and oh my goodness, you guys, my skin has been glowing. It is amazing. Also, I have been doing my skincare routine really well, but it's everything together, and shaving really does play a huge role in, you know, my face looking so clean and clear. I don't know if you guys could see this, but it's not irritated. It's just like this part over here. Yeah, I'm still trying to get rid of it. So as you can see, I do have like dark spots, but they're not that visible. It's like old, it's still going away. And I have a new pimple over here, so, you know, that time of the month. But overall, my hair is growing back. I can feel it, and it does not feel harsh at all. It does not feel very pricky. As you can see, you cannot see my hair even growing back, but if you look really closely, let me just try to get it on camera. Y'all can see the hair growing back. And it looks completely normal. So that's why I always say, when people tell me that you shouldn't be shaving your face because you're gonna look like a man, your hair is gonna be all pricky and more darker and more thicker, that is not true. It's just a myth. If you shave the right way, if you do it right, correctly, and take care of it the proper way, you are not going to have to deal with that problem. So do it the right way, kids, and this is how your face is gonna look. I am honestly in love with my face. I haven't shaved my face in so long because I sort of stopped doing it, but I'm literally doing it after 1 year? No, something less than that. Let me check. So I basically shaved my face after 8 months. So yeah, it's all like brand new. I felt like I was doing everything all over again. So this is definitely something I will continue because I freaking love it. It clears my face so well, and I just love it. So yeah, if you guys would love a detailed video on how to shave properly and how to take care of it, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to do it for you guys. And basically, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you guys would love to see. And yeah, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.